Question: is this laundry day for you? Just saying, just saying. Let's talk about it. Back in a minute. Hey, good morning, good morning. This is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City. Saves money, and I love, love, love helping people to keep some more of their own hard-earned money. How's everybody doing today? Well, as I'm recording this is on the weekend, and generally speaking, a lot of people, well, they take a minute or two and do their laundry on the weekend. Are you a weekend laundry person, or do you do your laundry during the weekday? Let me know in the comment section below. How's everybody doing today? And as always, I hope that this audio video, finds everybody doing well. You know what I love about audio videos? Let me tell you something before I get into the laundry thing. You get to do things like start your wash, make your breakfast, fold your clothes, do other things other than sitting there and staring at me. Just saying, just saying. So for those that like to get a couple of things done, you get to listen to my message and the message is still there. Just saying, or kick back and close your eyes like an extra 10 minutes. Oh, I need a little snooze. I'll put on one of Janet's videos. There you go. And not that necessarily that you might fall asleep, but if you do, God bless you. Just saying, just saying. However, just that like minute to kick back without having to stare at the screen. This is why this show is here. Just saying, just saying. All right. Now that we've done that, it's very important to sort your laundry before you do them. And unbeknownst to me, because I personally send mine out, that's the one little kind of sort of luxury thing that I do for myself. Because in my case, I send them out. That way I could do other things and make more money and pay for that laundry to be sent out. That's kind of just a little bit of a guilty pleasure on me. Do I recommend that for the rest of the world? No. That's just something that works for me. But for the people that do your own laundry, and when I did my own laundry, but I was unaware, this might be, maybe it's been around a long time. I have never ever heard of this. A sort of like, what's the word that I'm looking for? A partitioned laundry basket. In other words, it's a laundry basket that's in sections, which is great. What a tool. I mean, why didn't I think of that? I didn't think of that because somebody else did. But let's think about this for a minute. A partitioned laundry basket will help you or anyone or myself, if I decide to do the laundry myself, sort out the clothes in a much easier manner. Hello, this is just too good to be true. Anybody out there using a partitioned laundry basket, let me know in the comments section below, and also let me know how long have they been around? Because honestly, I'm clueless. If you have an idea as to how long a partitioned laundry basket has been around, please let me know in the comments section below. All right. So here are some tips that I checked into. Okay. I researched this, and this is according to some manufacturers of a laundry detergent. This is like their recommendations. So, we're talking about some experts here. All right. Basically, we need to sort our laundry clothes by the fabric type. For example, if you're going to wash your clothes, you should wash heavier clothes like towels separately from the lighter weight ones or like the more delicate ones. There you go with that sorting section out thing that I just mentioned. That is perfect. Also, separately wash clothes, for example, that have zippers or buttons. Keep them away from like delicate fabrics because, as zipper could get caught inside of those delicate fabrics, and then there goes that item. So keep that separately from those type of fabrics. Now, this mentioned corduroy. Man, I don't know about you, but I haven't used anything with corduroy in quite a long time. Anybody out there still work with corduroy? When I did wear corduroy back in the day, I loved it. However, corduroy does have a tendency to trap lint, and lint comes from this. This is when people accidentally do not keep the corduroy away from other fabrics. For example, like those microfiber types of fabrics, those fabrics attract lint. That lint can be transferred to, those like little skinny lines in the corduroy. And guess what? People will be having linty corduroy. Hello. I don't like linty corduroy. How about you? Another thing, separating heavy clothing, for example, like let's see, towels from more lighter weight towels, has also to do with the dry factor. So as you know, heavier clothes need what? More time in the dryer. So you would be doing yourself good to making positively sure that you are separating the heavier clothing from the lighter clothing. All this seems like, this is common sense. I didn't really need to hear this message. But you want to know something? Sometimes the most common sense, practical things are the things that every single one of us needs a reminder or two every now and then. I found these articles very fascinating. Let me see. Another hint, according to the laundry detergent manufacturers, is that very dirty or stained clothes really should be using like a separately treated treatment on it. Let me see exactly how I wrote this because my writing is like chicken scratch here. So, very dirty or stained laundry needs to be washed separately on a longer, heavier duty cycle. Yes, absolutely. This gives more agitation needed to help the dirt get released. Okay. And also talking about pre-treatment of stains. Okay. So pre-treat your clothes before washing them using a pre-treatment on the heavier stains. It will absolutely boost the efficacy of your laundry detergent in the cycle. Now, some people may say, what is all this yakety yak about laundry? Well, let me tell you something. We talk about keeping more of our own hard earned money. Well, I talk about it every day. That's what I do. I try to help people keep some more of their own hard earned money. But if we buy like expensive clothing, I mean, clothes cost money, right? And then we don't treat it properly when we're laundering them, we might as well kiss them goodbye. That is not a good way of keeping more of our hard earned money. We want ways to keep our clothes longer, that they last longer. And believe it or not, the way we do our laundry can make all the difference in the world. I mean it, not just saying, just saying. Another tip or trick. Now, I heard of this one on my own, like for a long time. I bet many of you listening heard this one on your own. To put your clothing in and out, particularly denim jeans, to before you enter them into your washing machine, take them and put them inside out. This will help like reduce the chance of, for example, how like denim jeans sometimes, especially like the blue ones, you get like that little bit of white fade in the seams. This will reduce the incidence of that and preserve the look better. So, hey, every little thing helps. You know what I'm saying? So, listen, and I hope that these little tips have helped you. I'm wishing everyone an amazing, fantastic day. But I do ask, well, kind of sort of a big favor from you. Here you go. Value in this or any other video, thank you so much for clicking like. Don't forget to share this video. Have an amazing, fantastic day. Take good care now. Bye bye.